Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. I am Vedant Deshmukh, a data science intern at LetsGrowMore. This is task 1 of level beginner. The title is Iris Flowers Classification. I have used K-neighbors algorithm to predict the species of the flowers. Now let us head to the solution. This is an iris dataset. It contains the data about the features of the flowers and the species of the flowers. The task is to predict the species of the flowers based on different features that are given to us. First, I will import the libraries that are required for this solution. I have imported 4 libraries: NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Cpon. Next, we will import the dataset. Using readCSV function, I have imported the dataset. Using head and tail function, I have viewed the first 5 and last 5 rows of the dataset. To find out how big our data is, I have used shape, which has given us results that there is 150 rows and 5 columns. Using dtypes, I have found the data types of all the columns. Now we need to check if there are any null values present in our dataset. Using info and isNull functions, I have found out that there are no null values present in our dataset, so there is no need of dealing with them. To find some statistical information, I have used describe function. Describe functions gives us information like count, mean, standard deviation, minimum and maximum, and all the quartiles for all our features. Here on your screen you can see that there are 3 different types of flowers in our dataset. They are Iris setosa, Iris versicolor, and Iris virginica. Here we can see that all the 3 different types are equally present in our dataset, having frequency of 50 for each. Next, we will visualize our data. I have plotted bar graphs for all the features versus the species or the type of the flower. As you can see, all the graphs are plotted. I have plotted pair plot for our data, which gives information about relationship between all the different features of our dataset. Now I have found out correlation between the features of our dataset. Then I have plotted a heat map. The heat map shows us clear information about the correlation of different features in our dataset. Next, here I have distributed my dataset into 2 series, which will be our train and test sets. In X, there are 4 features of our dataset. Here in Y, there is species of the flowers. For normalization of our data, I have used standard scalar. Next, I have splitted my dataset into training and test sets. On your screen, you can see the shape of each of the train and test set. For model creation, I have used K-neighbors classifier. First, we will find out what is the best value for K for our model. Looking at the plot, we can see that the K equal to 3 has been selected for most accuracy of the model. Now we'll perform the prediction. On your screen, you can see the predicted values by our created model. For our evaluation, I have calculated confusion matrix and accuracy score. The accuracy of our model is about 97.7%, which is very good. For the conclusion, our algorithm is able to predict the values quite accurately, and the accuracy is calculated to be 97.7%. That's it for my presentation. Thank you.